We have a 2006, I believe, '06 Mercedes CLS500. Doing all the oxygen sensors on it. I wasn't gonna make a video, but then I thought about it. I didn't really see too many vehicles, or excuse me, too many videos. So I'll go ahead and make this one. All right, for starters, we went ahead and took off our covers. Front cover, back cover, and we began to unhook our O2 sensors. Now, we're using oxygen sensor tool and extension to get on it, like so. Take a long 3/8 ratchet, come from this way. And I need 2 hands, but I'll let you know how this angle goes. All right, so I had to use my second one just to get a better pull, but we do have it loose now. I soaked mine with, the first round was with PB Blaster, let it sit about 5 minutes, and then right before I hit it with Freon. So that's number 1 that we're doing. I can't remember my banks, but please forgive me. Going for this one next. This passenger side is a little tougher to get to just because of the angle, in my opinion, but we'll try to do it the same exact way, just mirrored. All right, passenger side was straightforward. Also went on the outer side of the exhaust or the cat, got my longer tool on it, and I was able to work it right off, no problem. Now for our downstream, let's see if I can get a prop. This one should be very straightforward. That tool isn't going to work, which is fine. Use the smaller one. I did soak these as well, and this smaller tool is starting to round. Got to be careful with these tools, these oxygen sensor tools. They will round unless you got a good one like Snap-on, of course. Yeah. Matco, yeah, that one ain't grabbing. I never want to really start that, so I'm going to use a wrench instead. Let's see if I can. Yep, snap that. See if we can get the other side. Just going to give it that initial tension to break the torque. Wait, righty tighty, lefty DC Alex. And there she goes. All right, we're using Boss sensors. We got them for my Rileys, and definitely want the direct replacement so we don't have any issues with our computer not recognizing the sensors. All right, just so you can see, the 16272 is the upstream with the black connector. Downstream is the 16328 with the yellow or tan